Hi, I'm Elam from Business Innovation. We're all makers and we all want the same thing. We want to create products, services and digital experiences our customers will love. But then somehow reality strikes. We're getting lost in trying to do it all. We actually don't know what is priority. And all this with limited resources. Everything seems like a mission impossible. And to make things worse, we're starting to doubt. How can we find out if we're doing the right thing? What if I told you that you can use your appetite for creating things, even with limited resources, to create lovable products and services? This is exactly the power of Business Innovation Bootcamp. Business Innovation Bootcamp is a canvas-based approach. That means that you will get a set of canvases that guide you step by step within only 5 days, from understanding your customers' unspoken needs to validated prototypes of the most promising ideas you created. We offer this canvas set completely for free. You can just download it here on the website. In addition, we currently work on our very first Business Innovation Bootcamp online course. In this course, we want to share all our knowledge and the experience from a decade running bootcamps. Our goal is to enable you to use the canvases, ask the right questions, make priorities, and run your own Business Innovation Bootcamps. The only thing you have to do is subscribe for the course waiting list and we will give you a 50% early bird discount. So for now, I'm looking forward to see you in the course.